about to say they're closed. Dang, this place is huge as fuck, girl. I love it. Hi, how are you? Okay, so, okay, that's fine. Oh my god, bro, this is a fucking lie. It's a fucking lie. To get a bowl, so I'm excited because it's healthy and there's mad options. Hi, can I do a bowl? White rice? Got the bag, bitch. Got the bag.
I be poppin' mess, lots of disco. All you gotta say is just to go. And when you say go, I want you more slow. I'm at your house around midnight. Don't fall asleep. It'll just be me on a late night creep. I'ma show you things that you can't believe. Jump in this BED and when you suck it to me, suck it to me.
Mom, I wanted long. Like, yeah, it needs to touch the ground.
Suck it to me, suck it to me. I can take it out of you. No, pull on, backstroke. My hormones jumping like a disco. I be popping mess, that's a Crisco. All you gotta say is to go.
It's the Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with claws and no strings. Write my own text like I write what I sing. Your wrist, stop watching my neck, it's fuzzy. Make big deposits, my gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, wearing no ring, but ain't gon' be no misses. I'm matching diamonds for 6 of my bitches. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think we tell therapy, my no addiction. Whoever said money can solve your problems must not have had enough money to solve them. They say which one I say, now I want all of them. Happiness is the same price I spent by them. My smile is steaming, my skin is
Guys, so where we left off was just me showing you the process of me getting my hair done by Mama Dukes, the one and only. And we already have to change hairstyles because I am going on a mini trip. But to catch y'all up to things, y'all saw me pluck my eyebrows so they're clean. I can apply makeup this whole weekend going forward without worrying about that. Next up, for my nails, I trimmed them, cleaned them, buffed them so that they're ready to have the application done, which I'm still trying to convince myself to do, but we're gonna do it right on a budget. Okay, I wanted to do a quick update, a quick rundown on exactly how this vlog is going to go, and so that way tomorrow when I do my lash extensions, y'all don't see me with the new hairstyle and be like, huh? So yeah, okay, nails will be done tonight, hair will be done today, eyelashes tomorrow, brows complete. I will see you guys later when I do my nails. I dread it because I'm not good at it, but we're gonna do it because the more you practice, the better you get. You get it?
yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. It's getting money all around the world, cause girls is players too. What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spend it on a watch. Hold up, low titty showing through the white tee. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another fight. Apple bottom make him wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let boss, you could do what you want. Yeah, 'cause girls is players too. Yeah, 'cause girls is players too. 'Cause girls is players too. Just getting money all around the world, 'cause girls is players too. I go on and on and on again. He blowing on my phone, but I'm ignoring him. Thinking he the one, I got like 4 of him. Yeah, I'm sitting first class like valedictorian. Came a long way from rag to riches. 5-star bitch, yeah, I taste so delicious. Let him lick the plate, yeah, I make him do the dishes. Now he on new smoke, 'cause of we're missing. Body mention on the plate. I'm about to make him wanna bite. I just wanna have a good day. Just wanna have a good day. Don't know that you know. But you don't think you gotta let him go. Cause anybody, anybody. Boss, you could do what you want.
That's nuts, really.
And that sums up our maintenance vlog at home, beauty routine, DIY, baddie on a budget, however you want to call it. This is the end. Yes, I was struggling with my eyelashes that whole time because it was poking my eyeballs, but I was able to fix it when we got to the hotel. So anyways, if you guys have any other questions, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing the New York vlog drop in soon, make sure you do become part of the familia so you don't miss out. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.